Good day everyone, especially to our subject professor, Mr. Jonas Olandria. I am Christian Tiolaco, one of your reporter for today. So my topic is all about the school-based financial management for implementing units or the IUS and non-implementing units or the non-IUS. So the learning outcomes. At the end of the discussion, the listener will able to understand the role and importance of the school-based financial management. So now we have included the implementing units of the IUS versus the non-implementing I units of non-IUS. It defined as IUS is secondary school that will receive allocation directly from the national budget and the main complete financial record, while non-IUS are elementary and secondary school whose finances are managed through the school division office. So we have the financial reporting. So we have here that implementing the units of the IUS or preparing and submit the required standard financial statements and report required by DBM, DOF, COA, and other government regulation bodies to report on its financial operations. While we have the non-implementing units, the IUS, non-IU school financial operations are included in the financial statements and other required reports prepared and submitted by the division office. So now, let's have the school-based financial management or the SBFM. So school-based financial management refers to activities undertaken or pursued by the school head and his or her designated staff who assist in the management of financial and relevant non-financial resources available to the school. So these are the pursued that aim at maximize the benefit that may be derived from the utilization of the resources and minimize the attendant negative costs or effect to other activities. So where are the activities? So activities involved SBFM are the following but are not limited to fiscal planning, budgeting, cashiering and disbursement, accounting and recording, procurement, assets and liability management, and the fiscal and financial report. Fiscal planning so includes the estimation of the financial resources a school may get from all sources. So in like the JAA, budget allocations, local government, the PTA donation, incoming the income of the generating project like IGP, private sector, donation and contribution and other sources. So it also includes the identifying the output or the target setting and identification of activities needed to be undertaken to achieve the output and or the targets. So SIP, a medium-term fiscal plan which insists in the major fiscal planning activities of the school covers 3 years of plan operation. So DO number 44 S 2015 detailed the guidelines for the preparation of SIP. So we have the school sources of fund, the implementing units, so allocation from the national budget downloaded directly by the DBM region office, and the income generating project or IGP, the school canteen recreation, production, arts, craft, funds and raising and activities. And also we have the donation, PTA, alumni, non-government organization, private companies, private individuals, and the other government sources are the SEF, LGU, general funds, sponsorship by the membership of the Congress from the other national funds. So we have the non-implementing units, the allocation from the national budget donated by its division office. Budgeting. So we have the budgeting. So school budgeting is an annual process that involves the matching the estimated resources for the ensuing budget year to the activities that will be funded considering timing of the ability of the resource. So what is the school annual implementation plan? So the AIP is also referred to the School Operating Budget, or the SOB. DO number 44 of 2015 contains the explanation and detail of AIP. Cashiering and disbursement involve cash management and payments, whether they check or in cash. So now let's have the accounting and the recording. So accounting and recording is necessary activities be undertaken as resources are received and utilized. So we have the implementing units. Involves the maintaining of books of account and rendering of the required financial statements and the other report IUA transaction audited by the COA separately. So now we have the non-implementing units. Involves in substitution of the disbursement with the appropriate documentation of the transaction made and preparation of the liquidation report as required for cash advances. And also we have the liquidation reports are submitted to the division office and the transaction are incorporated into the division office book of the accounts. Now let's procurement for IU involves the equation of needed supplies and the materials and other school need, and includes the constitution of school bids and awards committee. So SBAC and the School Inspections Committee, the SIC. The presence of SBAC and the SIC is very important to ensure the impartiality and the fairness of the procurement process to deter the possible of corruption and fraud. And number 32. So we have the procurement for non-IU. The procurement process generally involves the using of assistance, school bids, and the award committee of back or forming one. This committee often included the school personnel and the PTCA. Representative handles the procurement of the supplies and other materials. The back school head approval is required to back recommendation and purchase orders. The inspection and the acceptance of the good are also performed by the school head, and it authorizes the representative. So now let's have the assess and the liability management. Supplementing the units, we have the inventory management, receipt, issuance, and recording and the disposal. So we have the non-implementing units. The initiative lies with the division office, since non-IU are a part of the division books, and school participation is minimal, indirect, and only to the extent that the division office required or involved the school in activities related to this financial management function. So now let's have the physical and the financial reporting. So financial reporting, when you say the word financial, so it means it involves the creating and disseminating the financial statement, such as the income statements and the balance sheet, to demonstrate the school financial performance and the positions. So now you can see that the financial reporting, it depends the position and the performance of the school. So you can have the key documents. So we have the income statement, shows that the school revenue, expenses, and profit or loss over a specific period. So balance sheet provides a snapshot of the school's assets, liability, and liquidity and particular point in time. So cash flow statement track the movement of the cash out of the school. So this is the part is getting to know where the money is going in and going out. So we have that, the cash flow statement. So next we have the physical reporting, focuses on tracking and documenting the physical asset and resources of school, ensuring proper inventory management and utilization. So this the part is getting to know where are the things or the physical have been gone or going, so they properly inventory each of things and in order to utilize it. So we have the key elements. Inventory management, tracking the quantity, condition of the school supplies, equipment, and other resources. So this is the time that inventory looking for how many things are being there, how many things are being going out or given or had been going to track everything. So next we have the assets tracking, maintaining the records of the school property, buildings, and equipment. So next we have the resource allocation, ensuring the physical resources are allocated efficiently and effectively to meet the school needs. So there you have it. You can see here is the references of the DepEd from Decision for School-Based Financial Management and the School-Based Financial Management and the Fiscal Responsible. So that's all. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.